Always have the hardest time doing this, but today we're doing best of 2022 makeup in just base makeup. Let's start with skin prep after using your sunscreen. The e.l.f. Halo Filter. This, I feel like, was a true dupe to the Charlotte Tilbury filter. It gives you such an effortless radiance. You can use this by itself or just use it under foundation. Another drugstore favorite, the L'Oreal Lumi Glotion. This was my first year using this and I got in a slightly darker shade, so this is perfect if I want a little bit of that bronze glow. Lastly, the MAC Silky Primer. Now it's called the Silky Primer for a reason. The texture is beautiful, it's hydrating, and it's going to be able to give you that glass skin effect, especially if you wear it under foundation. The beauty is, I don't do this, but you could technically use all three together. If you have a lot of redness, Smashbox has a great anti-redness primer. The green can cancel out the red. Now that we have a solid base, let's go from lightest coverage to highest coverage. You guys know what's coming up. The controversial What The Foundation. Yes, it did make it into my best of 2022 makeup. Why? Because it's that good. And this is all you need for your whole face. I mean, I'm using this until I'm 60, but who is this for? This is for people with extremely dry skin. This is for people with slightly more mature skin. This is for people who want extremely light coverage. So if you're looking for a full coverage or even medium coverage foundation, this is not for you. But this is going to moisturize and hydrate your skin literally all day without giving you that oily sensation. If you've been looking for a BB cream, the Dr. Jart one. Jart is like the original formulator of BB cream in Korea, and I'm not going to use too much, but it still gives you considerable coverage in a most breathable way, and it has niacinamide with skin benefits and also has SPF 40. The foundation. I love the Kosas concealer, but I think I like their foundation even more. This one really wowed me. Every time I use this one, my skin looks incredibly plumped. How is that possible? And not only that, I feel like this one just gives you the most poreless appearance, but because it has so many good skincare ingredients as well, it doesn't leave you looking cakey all day long. I had a lot of weddings this year, and every time my pick was the Makeup Forever one. This stuff will not budge from your skin. I feel like I could even go diving in a pool with this one, but it is truly undetectable. So smooth and natural. I can't not talk about a cushion foundation. The winner this year is the Amuse Meta Fixing Cushion. This one is a matte finish, extremely high coverage, the highest coverage out of everything I've talked about today, and I actually used it a lot too. And let me just take a pause here and say that I have 3 different kind of primers and 6 different little foundations on my face, and my skin is still looking not cakey and natural. Bravo.